Chapter 1: Application of 3D Graphics. Role of Mathematics in Graphics. Introduction. 3D graphics are everywhere in digital media, from movies and games to web design and virtual reality. But what are the main use and benefits of 3D graphics for different types of media, and what are the challenges and opportunities for 3D artists and developers? What are the most popular application of 3D graphics for digital media? We have six. First, animation and visual effects, video games, web design, virtual reality, augmented reality, 3D printing. First, animation and visual effect. 3D graphics are widely used in animation and visual effects or VFX to create both realistic and imaginative scenes for movies, TV shows, and commercial. The second one is video games. 3D graphics are crucial in video games, transforming them from simple flat visual to rich, detailed 3D environments and characters. These advancements enhance how games look and feel, making them more engaging and realistic. Third one is web design. 3D graphics are becoming more common in web design, enhancing the visual appeal and functionality of website and web applications. By incorporating 3D elements, websites become more engaging and intuitive, offering users a richer interactive experience. Virtual reality. 3D graphics are key to virtual reality or VR, which create simulated environments that people can interact with using specific equipment like headset and controllers. These graphics are make VR experience feel real and immersive, helping users feel like they're truly part of another world. Augmented reality. Augmented reality or AR uses 3D graphics to add digital elements like image and information to the real world as seen through devices like smartphones and glasses. This technology enhances how users see and interact with their surroundings, making everyday tasks more engaging and informative. 3D printing. 3D printing is a technology that turns digital model into physical object by building them layer by layer with materials like plastic or metal. 3D graphics plays a crucial role in this process as they allow designers to create and customize the object they want to print. Introduction of role of mathematics in graphics. Mathematics is incredibly important in computer graphics, which is all about creating and managing image and animation digitally. Mathematics is crucial in computer graphics for making everything look good, work well, and simulate real life physics in a virtual environment. First is geometry. This helps describe and shape objects in a 3D space. Imagine you want to design a digital car or a tree. Geometry helps you define the exact shape and size of this object using points, line, and curves. Algebra, specifically linear algebra, helps move and change scenes from 3D, like in a video game, to the 2D scene for your computer or TV. This includes complex action like movie, the camera angle, or having a characters interact in a video game. Calculus, using for creating realistic movements and changes. For example, if your animation a bouncing ball, calculus help calculates how the ball moves, speed up or slow down. Trigonometry, essential for working out angles and distance, which is crucial when you need to set perspective or angles in video games or any 3D scene, helping everything look more realistic as it's viewed on a flat screen. Physics. While physics is a science, it is used a lot of math to make animations and simulates look real. It calculates how objects should move, interact, or react to force, like how a character jumps or a tree sway in the wind. Signal processing. This math help is processing image, especially in effect like blurring or shaping image, or in creating and applying texture to surface in video games and simulations. Computer science algorithms. These are complex math-based instructions that help computers decide what to show on the screen. This sorts out which object you can see, how light and shadows place across surface, and much more. Chapter 2. Points in 3D space, vectors for direction and movement, mat- matrices for geometric data manipulation. Introduction. In 3D graphics, understanding points, vectors, and matrices is crucial for designing and manipulating objects and environment in a digital space. Points in a 3D space. A point in 3D space is defined by the three coordinates, the x, y, and z. These coordinates determine the location of the point in a three-dimensional environment. Vectors for direction and movement. Vector represent both direction and magnitude. How far is the direction? In 3D graphics, vectors are used to show how and where to move or apply force to object. Matrices for geometric data manipulation. Matrices are grid-like array of number that can transform points and vector in 3D space. They are essential for performing complex transformations like rotation, translation, and scaling. Chapter 3. Basic transformation, translation, rotation, scaling, transformation for complex movements, advanced transformation, perspective. Introduction. In 3D graphics, transform object involves three basic types of changes: moving them, spinning them, and changing their size. Basic transformation moves an object from one spot to another in a 3D space. For example, if you slide a toy car from one end of a table to the other, you're translating it. In a 3D program, if a cube starts at position 205 and you move it 3 units to the right, it ends up at 505. Translation or spinning. Rotate an object around a fixed point or axis. For example, turning a key in a lock involves rotation. Similarly, if a windmill blades turn 90 degrees around the center, they change from lying flat to standing upright. Rotation or spinning. Scaling. Realizing. Make an object bigger or smaller, blowing up a balloon as you add air. The balloon enlarges uniformly in 3D. Graphic scaling is 1 times 1 times 1 cubed by a factor of 3 changes its size to 3 times 3 times 3. More complex movement. Mix moving, spinning, and resizing to create more detailed and dynamic movements. Imagine a roller coaster cart climb and then descending a loop. It moves upward. Translation tilts to align with the track. Rotation and might even appear smaller as it moves farther away. Scaling.